Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 10, that is tenths and hundredths. Now, our eyes get confused. How our eyes get confused? Let's see it. Which line is longer, A or B? So here we have a line A and this is line B. Measure each line and write how long it is in centimeters. How good is your guess? So here you can see in first view, it is very tough to see that which is longer. Here generally B is looking longer than A. But it's not true because the end points of A, this is the end points of A. So we have to measure this length. So I measure it and I was found that 4.6 centimeter. Similarly, first find the end points of line B. So it was the end point and I measure it. I found that it was also 4.6 centimeter. So how? We can see that line A and line B both are equal and both have same length. Okay, B is not longer, but in first view anyone can see that yes, B is longer than A, but it's not true. Another one is here. Which line is longer, C or D? So this is line C and this is line D. Measure each line. How good is your guess? So first view, once again anyone can see that C is longer, but it's not true. So now we have to measure it and these are the end points of line C and I measure it. I found that it was only 3.2 centimeter and D was also 3.2 centimeter. So we can say C or D both are equal. Whose tail is the longest? Guess whose tail is the longest. Now measure the tails. How good is your guess? So here we have a mouse, cat, puppy, pig and monkey and one lizard on the top. Whose tail is the longest? So we can see that puppy's tail is smallest by observing. Okay, and here you can see the monkey's tail is the longest tail. You can also measure it by scale. So I think the length of monkey's tail, it should be about 2 centimeter. Now the longest rupee notes. So here you have a picture of old 100 rupees note. Now RBI Reserve Bank of India has launched a new note of 100 rupees in year 2018. Now what is the length of a 100 rupee note? Guess. Now measure it using a scale. So don't measure this 100 rupees note. You have to take a new 100 rupees note and you have to measure. So here we have a table. And here we have 100 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees notes, 5 rupees note. Size of notes. Your guess in centimeter, length and width. Your measure in centimeter, length and width. Now guess the length and width of many other things. Measure and find the difference between your measure and your guess. And here one more column we have to make. Make here and write difference. And length and width. What is the difference between and our guess and our measurement that we actually found? So here we have a note of 100 rupees. First, I want to tell you that I have taken the new notes of 100 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees and 5 rupees, which was designed by RBI. Now here you can see this is a 100 rupees note and we found its length. Its length is 14.2 centimeter and its breadth is 6.6 centimeter. Similarly, here we have new note of 10 rupees and its length is 12.3 centimeter and breadth is 6.3 centimeter. 20 rupees note, its length is 14.7 centimeter and its breadth is 6.3 centimeter. And 5 rupees note, its length is 11.7 centimeter and breadth is 6.3 centimeter. As I have measured the notes and here we have a 100 rupees note. Let me take any case. Its length is 10 centimeter and width 6 centimeter and the actual measure was 14.2 centimeter and width 6.6 centimeter. Then difference. So subtract 14.2 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. 14.2 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So 2 point and 4 and 1 minus 1 0. So 4.2 length and width 6.6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So 6.6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 0 and 6 0.6. 0.6 0.6 centimeter. Then 10 rupees note. The length was 12.3 centimeter and breadth 6.3 centimeter. Okay, before this you have to guess that what may be the length of 10 rupees note. Then you can find their difference as we done for 100 rupees note. So in this way you can do it. Now last one I want to tell you postcard and mathematic book. Postcard, its length may be 13 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. Now we have to measure any one postcard of 2.50 rupee or 50 paise, and you have measured what is the length and breadth. So I had one postcard and I found the measurement was 14 centimeter and 9 centimeter breadth, 14 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in breadth. Now let's find their difference. 14 minus 13, 1 centimeter, and 9 minus 8, 1 centimeter. In this way you can find their difference. Now mathematic book. Let's suppose it may be 26 centimeter and 20 centimeter. You have your own mathematic book. Just watch it and fill it. I found that length 27.3 centimeter and breadth 20.5 centimeter. So let's find their difference. 27.3 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. 27.3 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. So 3.7 minus 6, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So 1.3 centimeter. And breadth 20.5 centimeter. Breadth 20.5 centimeter and 20 centimeter. 20.5 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So 0.5. So here 0.5 centimeter. Their difference. So in this way fill this table.